How to freeze and unfreeze panes in Microsoft Excel? Open your Microsoft Excel workbook. Switch to the View tab. Choose one of the following options: Freeze panes to freeze both rows above and columns to the left of the selected cell. Freeze top row to freeze only the top row. Or freeze first column to freeze only the first column. For example, to freeze the top row and first column, select cell B2. Then, click Freeze Panes. Now, scroll through your worksheet to see the effect. To unfreeze panes, click Unfreeze Panes. This will remove any frozen panes, allowing all rows and columns to scroll freely. Freezing panes allows you to keep certain rows or columns visible while scrolling through your worksheet. Done.